Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to mirror an SVG file in Silhouette Studio. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here's how to do it if you already have your design loaded. So first you'll select the design, then come up to Object, Mirror, and flip horizontally. And that's it. Or if you want to go through the process of loading a design and then mirroring, keep watching. Okay, I'm just going to delete that, and now we'll load our SVG. So first we want to click this little file icon and then navigate to your SVG file. I'll say OK, and now mine comes in a little bit big, so I'll just select all with Command A or Control A and then group it with Command G or Control G, and I'm just going to resize it to get it where it should be. Then the process is the same. So once it's in there, you might not need to group it, or you might, but just go to Object, Mirror, and flip horizontally. Then you can continue with your project, and that's it. Alright, if this video was helpful for you and you'd like to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!